Hello little artists. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. At first, we took a black marker. Next, we draw two parallel lines. Then we draw the ladder here. Here, we draw a curve. Parallelly, we draw the second one. Parallelly, we draw the second one. We join it using straight line. Here, we draw the small square box. Next we draw two parallel line. And made a stand. We draw some small, straight line, and made a ladder. Now the time to coloring. We use blue color to color the ladder. Blue color. Then, we use red color to color the swing. This is the middle part. Red color. Next, we use yellow color to color the other's part. Yellow color. Yellow color. Green color. Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.